Dear students, today we see the topic number 16. You take example. Write down. Express 0.001 bar in the form P upon Q, where P and Q are integers and Q is non-zero. That is, Q is not equal to 0. Let me try to solve this example. Let me take this number as x is equal to 0.001 bar, means x is equal to 0.001001, like this. Suppose this is equation number 1. Then here you see how many digits are repeating. If we observe this number, then we conclude that these 3 digits are repeating. Means if 1 digit is repeating, then you multiply by 10 to both sides. 2 digits are repeating, then you multiply by 100. If 3 digits are repeating, means we have to multiply by 1000. Means multiply both sides. Multiply both sides by 1000. That is 1000 into x. 1000x is equal to multiplied by 1000, means 0.001001 like this into 1000. That is 1000x is equal to 1.001001 like this. This we take as equation 2. Then he asks to express this number in the form of P upon Q, and we have taken this number as x. Means we have to find the value of x. Means we subtract this equation 1 from equation 2. Subtract equation 1 from equation 2. That is 1000x minus x is equal to 1.001001 minus 0.001001 like this. That is 1.001001, that is minus 0.001001 like this. If we subtract this number from this, then we get it is 1 and 000 like this. Means it is 1. Therefore 1000x minus 1x, that is 999x, is equal to 1. Then x is equal to this 999. It is in multiplication of x. Therefore, it will be denominator of 1. That is equal to P upon what is Q? Q is not equal to 0. Means x means what? 0.001. That is 0.001 bar is equal to 1 upon 999. This is the that we have explained this one. Then Second example, find three different irrational numbers. Find three different irrational numbers. Find three different irrational numbers between the rational number, between the rational number, between the rational number 5/7 and 9/11. Find three different irrational numbers between the rational number 5/7 and 9/7. Rational number means what? Rational numbers are like this: 0.17, 17 means 0.17 bar. Rational number is equal to 5.8 means 5.8 0 like this. Rational number means 1.7.123 like this. Rational number means it is non-terminating or terminating, non-terminating or terminating, and one digit or two digit or group of digit is repeating. It is rational number. This 5/7 is rational number, 9/11 is rational number. We have to find the irrational number between these two. Irrational number means what? Irrational number means 2.1497812 like this. These numbers, no digit is repeated. Non-terminating and recurring. Non-recurring, non-terminating and non-recurring. It is irrational number. Here, first we see what is 5/7. 5/7 means what? 5 divided by 7. That is 7 zeros are 0. That is 7. We take 0 here. Then 7 8s are 63. That is here we get 7 8 7 9s. Here 5. Then 50. 7 7s. 7 7s are 49. It is 1. Then 7 1 are 7. That is 3. 30. 7 4s are 28. That is 2. Then 7 2s are 14. That is 6. 7 8 are 56. That is 4. Then 7 5 are 35. That is 5. Means after this we get the same digit 7 1 4 2 8 5. Means here 5 is left over in the remainder is 5. Then we will repeat the same procedure. Therefore 5/7 it is equal to 0.714285714285 like this. Means it is equal to 714285 like this. It is 5/7. Then second number 9/11. Just we divide 9 by 11. Here 11 0 are 0 9. It is 90. Then we take decimal point. 9 11 set are 88. Then 2. Then 0. 11 1 are 11. That is 9. Means it will be repeating again. Means 9/11 is equal to 0.81 like this. Means it is 0.81 bar. This number 2 4 6 digits are repeating. Here 2 digits are repeating. Means group of digits are repeating. Therefore It is a rational number. 5 upon 7, what is this? It is a rational number. 9 upon 11, what is this? It is a rational number. These two are 5 upon 7, 9 upon 11 are rational number. We have to find the irrational number between these two numbers. Means irrational number between these two numbers. Means what? Irrational number. Irrational number between 0.71428 and 0.81. These two numbers, these two irrational, this it is irrational numbers is equal to, that is equal to 0. We take 0.7200720000720000. Again second number 0.7300730073. Again 0.740074000074. These all numbers lie between these two numbers. These all numbers are irrational numbers. Why it is irrational number? Because no digit is repeating. No digits is repeating after uniform interval and non-recurring, non-terminating. Therefore, it is irrational number. Why these are rational numbers? Because these rational numbers we can write in the form of P upon Q. What is P upon Q? P and Q are integers and Q is non-zero. Therefore, these are rational numbers. These are irrational numbers. Then next example, find the irrational number between, find the irrational number, find the irrational number between 0.13 and 0.14. 0.13 and 0.14. What is 0.13? 0.13 is equal to, it is a rational number. 0.14, it is a rational number. Number between these two rational number, 0.13 means it is 0.0000. Means we take it is 0.13, 0.14000000. It is 0.14. Then irrational number is irrational number between 0.13 and 0.14 are these numbers are 0.1310013100013100000131 like this. Again second number is 0.132001320001320000. Again 0.133013300001330000. These all numbers are irrational numbers. Then next example you take. Next example you take. Express 0.32. Express 0.38 in the form P upon Q. In the form P upon Q, where P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0. Here, two digits are repeating. Therefore, we take x is equal to 0.38, 38, 38 like this. It is suppose equation number 1. Then, two digits are repeating. Two digits are repeating. Therefore, multiply both sides by 100. If one digit is repeating, then we multiply by 10. Two digits are repeating, then we multiply it by 100. Then we get 100x is equal to 0.38, 38, 38 into 100. That is 100x is equal to 38. 38. We take this as equation number 2. Then what we do? We subtract first equation from second equation. We subtract equation number 1. Subtract equation 1 from equation 2. Then we get what is equation 2? It is 100x. Equation 1 it is x is equal to 38 minus 0.38 like this. Means 38 like this. 0.38 like this. It is nothing but it is 38.0. Then 99x is equal to 38. That is x is equal to 99. It is the multiplication of x. Therefore, it goes in denominator of 38. Therefore, what is x? X is equal to 0.38 like this. It is 38.99. What is 99? 99 belongs to Z and it is not equal to 0. P and Q means 38 and 99 belongs to Z. These are integers. Therefore, it is in the form of P upon Q. Next, it is homework to you. Express 1.27 bar in the form P upon Q. What is P upon Q? P and Q are integers. What is P and Q? P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0. P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0. Here one digit is repeating. Then one digit is repeating means you have to multiply both sides by 10. and solve it.